Hello everybody, this is Nora and this is a collaboration video with my dear friend Manisha M from New Zealand. I will have her link down in the description bar below, and I feel very honored to be doing this with Manisha. I've talked about doing a collaboration for quite some time. We just didn't come around having the time, but this is what I'm holding here. So I'm going to show you here in a second. This product really opened the opportunity for us to do just that. And yes, you are looking at my completed mani here. I love this so much. I thought I was only going to do one hand. You're going to see me doing it on my right hand, working with my non-dominant hand. But I loved it so much, I figure this is going to be my weekend mani. Now, of course, by the time you see this video, it's going to be over past the weekend. But let me show you this product. So these are art inks by Apres, if that's how you pronounce that. And here's the case. This is a set of 6, and this is case 1 of 2. So they sell these in a collection of two sets, 1 through 6 as the one that I have here, and then 7 through 12. And the story behind this is, well, I'll share that in a minute. But yes, as you might think, okay, so inks, alcohol inks, you might purchase them anywhere in a craft store or anything like that. And as a matter of fact, I have a few myself, and they are from my very first video here, what, 3 years ago now? My very first video here was with alcohol inks, using some that I purchased from the craft store, and that's what encouraged me to continue to doing videos. But these, I just had to, when I saw these on her video, so this was part of a haul that she showed from after her vacation here to the US, and I fell in love with these bottles. Look at them. Oh, I gotta grab something really quick. Okay, so check it out, guys. Yeah, any of you recognize this beautiful bottle? Yep, one of the polishes from Louis Vuitton. Check it out. And when I saw these, it was like, oh, they're the babies. Check them out. See, now they're not as long with the brushes. Give this a twist to get it out of here. But look at that. Yeah, I just thought, oh, I have the mom, I gotta have the babies now. So that was, yeah, not only that, I just fell in love with the packaging. I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. I also fell in love with the colors, and of course the entire concept. It was just something that I had to splurge on to add to my collection on top. And of course, what made it easier was when she was talking about these and saying that she purchased them from a place in Vegas when she was visiting. As I was watching, so this is the story behind it. As I was watching her video, I got a text from my husband who was traveling at the time, and I got a text from him having landed in Vegas. So yes, I said, as soon as I got that text, I was like, oh, you're in Vegas, and I just found out about something that you can get for me. So yes, the rest is history, guys. So here I am. He was concerned on how well they were going to travel all the way home. But I said, if Manisha's travel really well, made it all the way across to New Zealand, I'm sure mine better be safe. And here they are. So yes, we coordinated. I figured this will be a good opportunity for us to do a collab. So that's the story behind this. And as you can see, I mean, the colors vary. For this mani, you will see me use colors number 1, which is right here, which is a black. And then color number 4, which is a red. So I'll be using these two for my manicure. And you will see, if you guys have any questions about these or on how to work with them, let me know down in the description bar below, and I'll be happy to answer. But yes, it's quite versatile. I mean, you can do a lot. Now I did something slightly different here for my mani. We agreed to do a couple of the marble looking ones using the art inks, and then for other nails using something else. So I chose to use a couple of magnetic polishes. So yeah, that is it. I would like to thank Manisha. Thank you for joining me in this collab. Like I said, guys, check out, you have to go check out her mani. I will insert a picture of her mani here on my video as well. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors that she chose. She chose colors from this set as well because she knew it was the one that I had. So you will see my manicure and her manicure. You can accomplish the same or similar, being that this is a hand-painted design. You know, not two of them will ever be the same, even when accomplished by the same person. But you can accomplish it using the colors from this collection, this set number 6. And if you guys are interested in this, I will have a Apres website down in the description bar below. But like I said, it was a store purchase where we both of us got this set. And you might follow them on Instagram as well to know more and get more inspirational ideas. So that is it for this intro, guys. I will meet you back at the end. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial.
Troubled minds know nothing better. The fire we created wasn't ember. Soon the flames grew tall and burned us out. Careless, said something that said you'll never meant it. Apology.
So you're about to see the application of 2 different magnetic polishes here, and this is an idea that I got from Apres. I saw this on a demonstration that they did on one of their clips on Instagram, and I thought it was pretty cool. Then after putting the 2 colors side by side, I went in with a brush to kind of blend them together, and it kind of creates a gradient. You really do not want a fine line there. You want to blend it together very well. And that's why I used a separate brush, so that I would not contaminate the colors with each other.
My head's okay, but my heart is divided. I'm having trouble making up my mind. Yeah, you gain so much.
And now I used my Beauty Big Bang Matte Top Coat. This is a must, guys. When working with these alcohol inks from Apres, they must be applied over a matte surface. And for those of you asking if this will work with regular polish, believe me, I gave it a try and I was not impressed with the results. It's almost like you can even tell the difference between the alcohol inks or whether I had just sponged regular polish. I did not get the nice veins that this creates. And another note that I want to include, when you see the brush touching my nail here, the brush is wet with the blending fluid that I poured in the little cup. So it is a process. It could take some time. This is something, I mean, it's going to be up to you of how you want this to look. So that's the time that it will take, and you go back and forth. And this, it just evolves on its own. And when you see there the liquid moving towards my tip, I was blowing on it.
can't cut you out.
Okay, I chose to finish it with the Glossy Top Coat from Beauty Big Bang. And guys, you will want to wait at least 5 minutes for that alcohol to dry. And even though it dries pretty quick, but you don't want your top coat to smear it.
Okay guys, so here's the final mani, as you saw on my intro already. Don't they look gorgeous? Oh, I love them, and I love Manisha's too. Her colors are so bright and pretty. The possibilities are just endless with these inks, and like I said, yes, so this is a splurge. I had to add these to my collection. I love the bottles. The only thing is that, yeah, they have the card that the bottles themselves don't have the names of the colors. They have these numbers on these numbers. There's a reference card for them. I had to keep that handy, so I might have to find a way to label these bottles with the colors, since some of them are not too obvious from looking at them from the outside. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to visit Manisha's video so you can go check out and get some great ideas. She's very talented. She has great ideas on her channel as well, so you will love her. And if you guys enjoyed my video, I hope you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.
When I'm troubled, minds know nothing better. The fire we created was an end, but soon the flames grew tall and burned us out. Careless, said something that said you'll never miss.